What's going on, guys? I'm here with my BMW M2, and I'm going to be showing you guys probably one of the most annoying things on the iDrive, and hopefully how to fix it in your car. And what I'm talking about is when you connect with Bluetooth and you go to play music, and it shows unknown artist, unknown album, unknown title. This is what I'm talking about. So essentially, it doesn't show really any details on the music that you're playing. And the really annoying part is if you try to change the music using your stereo controls, you can't. So I'm going to show you guys how to correct this. So let me grab my phone. Let me try to play a little bit of music and let me see if I can kind of show you guys what I'm talking about. All right, so we have some music playing right here. Nothing's playing here. You can see we can't skip anything. So now let me turn that down so I don't have any copyright issues. But you see that it's not letting me actually change this or do anything with it. The solution to this is disconnect Bluetooth, go to reconnect, and you have to actually be playing the music first before you attempt to connect. Let me actually turn the music down as much as I can. So on this, it's basically trying to push the music through, and you'll see in a moment, this is gonna update. Just give it a second. Right there, you see that updated. Again, my music, I'm gonna leave the volume down so it doesn't flag, but now you see everything is updated here, and you see if I try to change it on the steering wheel, I can actually click it, and the music should skip. There you go. Skips to the next song. So that is how you fix that unknown title error, is basically disconnect Bluetooth, and when you go to reconnect Bluetooth, make sure that the media that you want to play is actively trying to play on your phone. Now, I know that's not a perfect solution. That doesn't actually fix the actual problem. The problem itself is related to some connectivity issue with the phone and the car. I'm aware of multiple generations that have the same exact problem. I have a 2016 M2, and this is the NBT version of the iDrive. And I've heard of people on new BMWs also having the same issue. But essentially, disconnecting your Bluetooth and reconnecting it with the music attempting to already play should solve that. Or if your car's already on, just disconnect, reconnect, and that should solve that issue. And then you should be able to skip on the steering wheel, and you should be able to actually see all the artwork and everything on your iDrive properly. So this is a short little video, guys. I know this issue absolutely frustrates me to no end, and I finally decided to make a video about how to actually correct this, because if it's frustrating me, I'm sure it's frustrating a lot of you guys. So hopefully this video helped some of you guys out. To my knowledge, there's no permanent fix for this. You just have to kind of work around it, and that is, as far as I know, the best workaround. Just disconnect, reconnect with the music playing first. So if you guys liked this video, if you did find it helpful and it does kind of help you and solve your problem, leave it a like, subscribe for more videos from me as I make more videos on my BMW M2 and other car content in the future. Thank you guys so much for watching this quick little video. Till next time.